Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to boost your Shopify sales with Instagram ads in 2025? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create and run a high converting Instagram ad from setting it up in Meta Ads Manager to targeting the right audience. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your Shopify store is connected with your Meta account. Open your Shopify account, go to settings or add app section, then search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook page, Instagram account, and business manager. This integration allows your product catalog to sync directly with Instagram for shoppable posts and ads. Now click install from here. Now click on pin icon, then click get started. Connect your Facebook account and business portfolio, terms and condition, then click submit for review. If it's your first time, create a business account, add your payment method, and select your Instagram business profile. So go to business.facebook.com, click the first link. Now find the payment method tab or go to settings. Click Instagram accounts and add your Instagram account and add your payment method and select your Instagram business profile. So that's it. In Ads Manager, click Create to start a new campaign. Go to Dashboard, then click Ads. Now click Get Started. Choose an objective for Shopify. I recommend starting with sales, traffic, or conversions. If you have already set up the metapixel. This is where targeting matters. Use custom audience, website visitors, IG engagers, or email lists. Use lookalike audience to find new buyers or go board with interest targeting like fashion lovers, tech buyers, eco-friendly shoppers. Then click on it. Now click on location, age, gender, and device type can also be customized based on your ideal customer. Choose between a daily or lifetime budget. Start small, like $5 to $10 per day. For testing, set your start and end dates or run the ad continuously. Meta will optimize your spend over time. Under the ad section, Choose your Instagram page, select manual upload or pull products from your Shopify catalog. Use a single image, carousel, or reel video. For creatives, use high quality product images and AI generated lifestyle videos. Add short, attention grabbing headlines. Include strong CTS like Shop Now limited offer or free shipping today only. Add your Shopify products, a product or landing page URL. Now install Metapixel. Optional but powerful. If you haven't already, install the Metapixel from Shopify's Facebook and Instagram app. This allows you to track purchases, retarget visitors, and optimize conversions. Just copy your Pixel ID and paste it inside Shopify's Facebook app settings. Click Publish and your ad will go under review. Add your ad payment method, check the box and click Next. That's it. Once live, monitor performance inside Ads Manager, track metrics like CTR, cost per result, purchases, and ROAS. Kill underperforming ads and scale winners. For Metapixel, comment below. I will create a video about it next time. And that's how you run Instagram ads for your store, Shopify store in 2025. Just install the app, Facebook and Instagram app, then go to your business account and integrate with your Instagram account and follow the process. Start with small budgets, test creatives, and use your data to improve. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and check our full playlist on e-commerce ads and growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Be consistent and stay creating. See you soon.